Hi there, Julia.
Hi, Tom.
Can you hear me all the way over there?
I am.
You are there with a startup. It's called Numi, and they make in vitro maternal milk. Tell us more about this.
That's right, in vitro breast milk, Tom. This is what the biotech, the French biotech Numi is showcasing. It's an alternative for women who do not wish or cannot breastfeed, and they've just raised 3 million euros in seed money. I'm here with Eden Banon. Hello and welcome. Thank you for being here.
Hi, thank you so much for having me.
So first of all, congratulations on this, on the 3 million just raised. You're going to tell us about it in just a moment. So why did you develop breast milk from breast cells grown in the lab? How did you come up with the idea?
Yeah, so basically at Numi, we're on a mission to really make the powerhouse of all of the breast milk constituents accessible to all using science, cutting-edge science, and specifically cell culture in order to provide really better nutrition for babies when breastfeeding is not an option. And that's actually a case for a majority of parents. Indeed, the World Health Organization recommends a minimum of 6 months exclusive breastfeeding. But in reality, it's not that simple, and 70% of women face challenges with breastfeeding and different limitations and obstacles to do so, and also to have and pursue breastfeeding in the long run. And also, the current alternatives of breast milk are, in 90% of cases, cow-based, and there are huge discrepancies of constituents in cow milk versus human milk. So we are here, thanks to science and our incredible team, to actually make the benefits and the powerhouse of breast milk accessible to all.
Now, I'm sure this is a question that many people may have, but how close have you gotten to the properties and the benefits of real breast milk?
So we're still an early stage startup. Our company is a year old. We are now a fully operational lab and an incredible team of around 10 scientists in the lab. So we're still having initial but very exciting results at lab scale.
So Numi is in its very first stage of development. What are the next steps? I know that there are already competitors out there, the agro industry, like Danone, for instance, which notably has just invested in the Israeli company Wilk. So how do you navigate through that new ecosystem?
Yeah, I mean, that investment of Danone and Wilk is an incredible sign of actually big industrial players really believing in the power of our technology to solve this amazing problem that we are tackling. And so we believe that we are here, we have room for us. It's an amazing market with different opportunities, and we're really having this motivation to have a health impact on babies and baby nutrition overall in the world, and also provide a new alternative for parents. So we believe that the next milestones for us are really tech development. Thanks to this pre-seed funding that we've raised last year, we've been able to really accelerate our R&D. And as I mentioned, we have now really exciting results in the lab. And now the challenges are really to scale our technology. And also we have obviously a regulatory milestone in front of us to bring our product to market.
And this is pretty incredible because it means it's going to have consequences on the health of babies, because you're going to be able to pass through all the antibodies, of course, linked also to the milk. So that's going to have a huge health impact. For now, you're not targeting the French market. You say that you're targeting first the US market because the regulatory system is actually more inclined and more favorable to this type of product. Why is that, and is France lagging behind?
So the US market is an amazing market for a different reason. There is first the market size, of the United States market that is huge. There is also very different obstacles to breastfeeding in the United States. Maternity leave are extremely short. A quarter of women goes actually back to work within 2 weeks of giving birth. So when you put that in comparison with the 6 months minimum recommended by the World Health Organization, you realize how difficult it is to actually follow this recommendation in the United States as other places in the world. And as you mentioned, they have a well-defined regulatory landscape and roadmap for companies like us producing new types of products thanks to cell culture, and with specific precedents in terms of regulatory on specific human milk constituents, such as the HMOs, human milk oligosaccharides, that provides a boost of the immune system, and that comes in a big variety of constituents in breast milk. So it's definitely an interesting market for Numi, but we do intend to bring our product to European families as soon as we can.
Well, we look forward to that. Thank you very much, Eden Banon there, telling us more about the French biotech Numi. Now we're going to turn back to Tom on the master stage. He's going to tell us more about artificial intelligence. Of course, it has a huge carbon footprint, but it can also be part of the solution and help us fight climate change.